Imagine a building that breathes, windows that morph with the weather, and walls that shape, shift to optimize space, all made possible through smart nanomaterials, the game changers in the world of architecture. That's right, we're not talking science fiction. We're talking about the bleeding edge of what's happening right now in the construction and design realms. And you, my friends, are about to dive deep into this awe-inspiring future with today's video on smart nanomaterials for constructing shape-changing architecture. Before we do, I'd like to remind you to hit that like button, smash subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our future content. Now, let's unwrap the marvels of this transformative technology. Smart nanomaterials, often referred to as the building blocks of the future, are materials engineered at an incredibly small scale, specifically 1/1000th of a meter in size. The beauty of these materials lies in their ability to respond dynamically to external stimuli like temperature, light, pressure, or even moisture, leading to what many call intelligent or shape-changing architecture. Let's give an analogy to kick things into perspective. Imagine our building as a living organism, like a tree that adjusts its leaves according to the sunlight. Smart nanomaterials enable a building to adjust its form, ventilation, or even opacity to suit environmental conditions. This is akin to a new breed of architecture that evolves and adapts in real time, just like a creature in the wild fine-tunes its behavior for survival and comfort. One of the most enchanting applications of smart nanomaterials in architecture is the development of shape-shifting facades. These are not static walls, but dynamic interfaces interacting with their surrounding. Picture this. As the sun's angle shifts throughout the day, the facade's microsurfaces tilt and turn to provide optimal light and heat to the building's interior. This isn't just energy efficiency. It's a ballet of shadows and sunlight choreographed by the building itself. These magical materials aren't just about the spectacle of changing shapes. Smart nanomaterials can optimize energy consumption. Buildings that can self-shade reduce the need for artificial cooling, which translates to lower electricity bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Think of it as a building that dresses and undresses itself in layers, just how you might don a coat in the cold or shed layers when it gets warmer. Moving from the macro to the micro, let's zoom in on the interior possibilities. Smart nanomaterials open doors to furniture that can transform based on your needs, walls that can become transparent or opaque at the flick of a switch, and floors that can harness the kinetic energy of footsteps to power the building. This isn't just architecture, it's an interactive experience. The journey of smart nanomaterials is an extraordinary tale of cross-disciplinary innovation, where materials science, architecture, and nanotechnology intermingle. The research dives deep into this microscopic world, exploring how to program materials at the atomic level to perform tasks and deliver desired functionalities once integrated into the built environment. Notably, one can't ignore the immense potential for disaster resilience. Buildings made with smart nanomaterials could, one day, be programmed to change their structure in response to seismic activity, potentially saving lives by becoming more flexible and absorbing the shock of earth tremors. Think of it as a building that can dance its way out of earthquake damage. In stark contrast to traditional construction methods, which rely on manual labor and heavy machinery, the assembly process of smart nanomaterial structures could be akin to a high-precision, less labor-intensive choreography, leveraging self-assembly properties. This is like thousands of tiny robots working in concert to build from the ground up, without a single human on the construction site. The path toward a future shaped by smart nanomaterials isn't without its hurdles. Ethical considerations, manufacturing challenges, and the integration of these materials into existing infrastructure call for robust discussion and innovative problem solving. How do we ensure equitable access to these revolutionary technologies? How do we recycle or dispose of these materials at the end of their lifespan without harming the environment? Throughout this video, we'll be diving into the rich tapestry of use, cases, challenges, and potential solution. From the pioneering scientists in the lab to the architects dreaming up the next generation of smart buildings, we will explore every facet of this exciting future. Together, we'll witness the unfolding narrative where the buildings of tomorrow are not inert structures, but dynamic, responsive entities that promise to redefine our skyline. And as we conclude this fascinating voyage into the realm of smart nanomaterials and shape-changing architecture, let's take a moment to recognize the incredible blend of art and science that's paving the way for a future where our built environment isn't just around us, but truly a part of us. If today's journey has sparked your imagination and you're eager to keep abreast of future transformations, be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and click the notification bell to ensure you never miss out on the incredible content we have lined up. The future is being built one atom at a time, and we're here to chronicle every leap and bound. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay tuned for more ground-breaking revelations in the world of futuristic technology. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video adventure.